Hi guys, good morning. So recently we ordered some stuff over at Shopee during the 4.4
Oh,
sale.
Paddington is near.
Coming. Yeah.
Also, Paddington is near Popy's house. He's almost there. He's almost there. He's just in China. He's going to be delivered.
Okay. Yeah, so we got three packages coming from Toy Tinker. They're Toy Tinker Philippines in Shopee, I think, and it's TOYTINKR in Instagram. Toy
And it
Tinker.
is Soapland.
Yeah, so this is one of the packages we got kasi we wanted to have Kale do
And also
something.
there are shapes for
Yes.
the soap.
Yeah, okay. We wanted we wanted to find some activities that Kale can do over summer, and it's already summer vacation for him. Ako na lang ang may utang sa school na
And then
portfolio.
homeschooling.
Yeah, he's homeschooling. So, we were June enrollees. So, tapos na kami. But, I wanted to fill his summer with fun
And
activities.
I was also doing brain quest.
Yes, he has brain quest too. So now we're gonna unbox. This is My Dear. I don't know if it's My Dear, Me Dear, but it's Soapland. Can you open it, Kale? You say hi first.
Hi guys, my name is Mikael Gabriel Nada Perez. So, I got 3 deliveries for today.
Yesterday, love.
It was JNT from Shopee for.
Okay, show them what's inside.
Alright, the unboxing. This is what's inside.
What's that?
These are the instructions.
And
And these are the shapes I told you
what are the shapes for?
for the soap.
What else are there? What shapes are there?
There is a starfish,
Mm-hmm.
a shell, a crab, and another shell.
Okay. And what else is inside the box?
There is soap base.
Wow.
There is a cup.
Yeah, it's a measuring cup.
And there's a measuring cup and colors. You can also choose between red and blue.
Okay, and
And there's what do you call that?
fragrance.
Lemon fragrance. So, those are all,
And what are these?
I don't know. They look like rope.
Yeah, and so under the soap base there are
Sticks.
some sticks and some plastics. I think we're gonna need this for later. So let's start doing it.
Yeah!
Okay,
We'll start.
so we're back.
back.
I melted you're supposed to melt the soap base in a microwave, but we don't have a microwave, so we decided to I decided to just heat water in a pan, and then yeah. So now it's melted. Yeah, kids, you need adult supervision for this. And then the instruction says we have to tie this in a knot. No, you don't need that.
Okay.
You don't need that. Now you have to add a drop of pigment. Choose between blue and red. You choose.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, open it and add here. Just a drop.
How do you add? How do you add, Nanay? Oh, it's hot.
Ah. Press and turn. I cannot open it.
This is hard. It's hard for Poppy also. When I'm trying to do it hard. I'm trying to twist it.
Hold on.
Hard. Can we,
Okay. Sorry, we had a little boo-boo there kasi hindi namin ma-open to. So, good thing I have another food color here. I got this earlier kasi Kayla and I were planning we're planning to make some slime. Okay? So, we'll put a drop. Kiki. Stir. Stir it.
see, it's becoming into green.
Yeah.
See what color it is?
And then, you have to make 2 drops.
Two drops of
Drops
lemon.
of lemon fragrance.
Yeah, of lemon fragrance. It's my favorite. What is this Chinese or Korean?
I don't know. You press this 2 times lang, ha? 2 drops. Press that 2 times. Here, my love, not like that, like this. Okay. It's supposed to be like this, baby.
I already did it na.
Can you smell?
Ooh, it smells good.
Yeah? See? Can you smell? Oh, yeah. Who are you gonna give this to?
For myself.
Ah, this is for you. Okay. And now, you pour it here. No. Pour it.
Okay.
You pour it.
How much?
Here. Okay. Yeah.
I can feel it hot, but I like.
Wait. Okay. Okay, pour. Oh, careful. Oops.
Done? Yeah. So we need to let it harden first.
Okay, I think we can make another one.
Let's make a different shape.
Okay.
We'll take it out after it's hard.
I'll try to melt this some more. I think we can put it here. No. Let's fill it up.
I almost got it out. Nanay, there!
Oh, careful, my love.
I opened it. Nanay.
Okay, it's a little clumpy.
So, yeah. It's a little clumpy, like my poop.
No.
It's a little clumpy.
Oh, I'll melt this a little bit more.
Let's use glue this time. If only we have black food color, we could use that for Tatay. Because he likes black.
So it's a little bit clumpy.
It's a little bit clumpy.
So we need to cool that down. And then it says here that we have to soak the mold in water for 10 seconds to take out the soap later. Okay? So, wow, you opened it. Okay, so you say goodbye na, Popy.
Goodbye!
I hope you learned something from our
I thought we were going to make
little
another
experiment. No, later na lang ulit. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Bye, everyone! Sorry.